In this Tech Talk, I am speaking with Georg Koutsogiannis, account manager for Schubert, and we are discussing the benefits of automation and innovative packaging solutions for high-quality baked goods. Hi, George. Thanks so much for joining me today.
Hi, Joanie. Thank you. Thank you to be here and talking to you.
So this is a hot topic in our industry because there are a lot of challenges that bakers are facing, and they often end right at the packaging line. So I guess I want to start off this conversation by talking about some of the challenges overall that bakers are facing today and the impact that they can have on packaging.
Yeah, that's absolutely right. Bakers have to face a lot of challenges. It is a big change for somebody who is responsible for to went out from manual packaging, what is usually what happens in a bakery, especially in an industrial-driven bakery. Private-owned companies, smaller bakeries, they get very high under pressure of big multinationals, which produce, of course, in high volumes. Especially for them, I think it is the only right way to make the whole production more efficient, to keep the margins for them interesting, and to be strong on the market.
Yeah. And the goal for really any business is to grow. And when a bakery grows, it presents these new challenges, just like what you said. And when you think about what that growth means for the packaging line, it can be kind of a touchy subject for bakers, especially when we're talking about really delicate baked goods that a lot of these companies are making. So how can something like modularity in a production, in a packaging line, really help keep the process moving smoothly for primary, secondary, and even tertiary packaging?
The Schubert equipment itself is built modular. So that means our machines are modular built. So we are able to cover with our portfolio, even with single machines or with completely lines, the primary, the secondary, and the tertiary packaging. In comparison to a manual packaging, this quality can be controlled by an automized principle, because the human is the human. He's flexible. He has a good day. He has a bad day. People change. The quality covered by a high quality engineering of material we use, of systems we use. We have an own tooling engineering department, which is developing year by year hundreds and hundreds of different designs of pick and place tools, especially, which are touching directly the naked product. And if you think about bakery products, which are softly, but even which are very fragile, or even with toppings on top, it is very important how to design not only the tool, how to design the whole machine. It needs to be all in balance and aligned, that you finally are really able to produce over years and years on a very high speed, even if it's a lower speed, on a very high efficiency. This is even more important.
So I liked what you said, that there is efficiency, even if the speed is not high. And I think that is sometimes a lesson that bakers can often learn the hard way. They try to gain efficiency by speeding up. So I like what you said, that the Schubert solutions can create efficiency in a situation where a really delicate product can't go that fast, but you can still produce very efficiently and have savings that way.
Correct. But we talk now somehow already quite very technical. What is even more important to us is that we don't see us only as a machine supplier, and we see us as a partner. And for us, a project starts already with supporting the customer, reviewing his whole production. We are able with only Schubert equipment, but also with non-Schubert equipment, which we purchase and integrate. It goes further to support him with packaging development. And to be honest, this is also what makes so fun in my job, creating partnerships with customers and not just supply and selling.
The human element is so important. And I love what you said about the humans have to be able to interact with the automation. And so that kind of triggered a thought for me in overcoming some of these challenges and increasing efficiency and really getting to know the machines well and being able to use them the best that they can be used. This leads to accuracy, which is so important in a bakery operation for packaging. How can pick and place robotic systems help lead to that accuracy that's so important?
It is not the robot itself. It is the whole system. It is the machine design. It is the control system, the whole equipment. Approximately 80% of our equipment you see on the background is out of our hands. It's designed, developed, and produced by Schubert. We see it as a complete package. It's not the robot itself. It is the control system. It is the vision system. It is the transport system we use in keeping the quality of our machine equipment. And to deliver the best solution, you need to support the customer and you need to support the people that they can run the machine well, that they are able to clean the machine well. If you deliver a machine which is not really good, accessible, cleanable, you will have a good efficiency at your factory, at the factory acceptance test probably to show to the customer. But what is the case after 1 year or a half year of production on his side? What Schubert has considered in his design in an evolution over many, many years, that the machines are accessible, that the machines are easy to be cleaned, to maintain, and all that together creates in the end a high efficiency. And of course, don't forget about training. And training is very important to us because we say always, of course, we offer a very high service support for the customer here from our Charlotte headquarters right now in our service center. But the best service support he can get is helping himself by himself.
So I have one sort of technical question for you in thinking about different aspects of packaging and robotics. Can you talk to me a minute about flow wrapping and how flow wrapping is incorporated into a pick and place system? What are some of the benefits that Schubert equipment brings to that situation?
We are able to integrate in our machines, as you said, for example, flow wrapping equipment, which is our own flow wrapping equipment, our flow module, which means we integrate in our pick and place machines, the flow packing equipment, which has the very big benefit that you don't have any mechanical or control interface between an external standalone flow wrapping equipment and pick and place and of course. And this as one independent line with one control system, one operator controlling the whole machine. And further, if we're talking already about integration of flow wrapping system, this is probably, let's say, quite a big integration, but we quite often forget the smaller integrations in our machines, which is probably almost always part of a packaging process. Check weighing systems, printer systems, laser coders, labelers. If you're able to integrate this smaller, more compact devices inside the machine, you eliminate again all the interfaces, you save a lot of space. And this is also solutions we found for us, which make sense and where we designed our machines that we can easily integrate this. And on the end of the day, this offers a high efficiency in total, but also, of course, less operators of the whole packaging process.
So this just leads me to one final question, and that is, how can bakers get in touch with Schubert to learn more?
Yeah, of course, the best and most easiest direct contact with us is to contact us via email, which you can find on our website directly to our sales team. And of course, we would look forward to welcome you on our all exhibitions and industrial conventions where we are. And for sure, we would look forward to welcome you here in the South, in the beautiful Carolinas. You're always welcome.
Wonderful. Well, George, thank you so much for taking time to talk to me about the benefits of automated packaging systems that Schubert has to offer. This was really interesting. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for that experience, and hope talk to you again soon. Thank you.